Hi everyone, I'm Esther Ko again. So today I'm going to show how to using Ruijie AI Heatmap. Okay, first of all, from here we just need to log into our cloud.ruijie.com. Once you log in, you need to log in by your this registered email address. This account is free to everyone. Everyone also can be able to experience our this Ruijie cloud. So once we have been logged in, please welcome to our overview page for the Ruijie Cloud. Okay, this is able to manage your this customer multi-tenancy. And even though nowadays we were going to teach you how to use AI Heatmap. AI Heatmap is one of the tools we're going to do the simulations based on the customer floor plan to simulate the AP location as well. So nowadays we can go for create a BOM. Okay, let's say I get the customers from the customer name is ABC, and the customer maybe is an office scenario. So I just need to click on the OK itself. So the BOM can be make it automatically. And even though for the emphasize what we are going to show you here, we can upload the floor plan for the customer provided. Okay, so you click on the upload floor plan. So they will going to pointing back to use. You can simply to upload any of the floor plan by giving to your customers. So I have a sample floor plan here. So I just need to click on open. The floor plan will be totally upload to our AI Heatmap. I just need to specify this is maybe it's a ground floor floor plan. And I just click on the OK. Okay, I can upload a lot of floor plan accordingly. And the second, once you upload the floor plan, you can select the scale by length. Okay, normally for the door side, right, as we know, the comments from the door to door from this positioning to this, right, let me reset it. From here to here, normally it's door for the length about 1.2 meter. Okay, so the entire of the floor plan, they were using our AI technology to recognize all the wall, everything. Okay, that's why you can see wall recognition has been turned on automatically. So once you click OK, the AI will be going to detecting the wall completely, okay, and help you to draw all the wall by automatically. So you just need to verify, or you can fine tune, you can do some touch up about the wall thickness and everything. So even though when you click on this wall, it will tell you whether it's a thick wall, thin wall, or medium wall. What is the material between the medium? Maybe it's a like glass, metal door, brick wall, and so on and etc. Okay. And the next, what we are going to implement the AP, right? How we make the AP easily. So we can based on the AI deployment for the AP side, or you can go with any of what we say is the manual way, okay, to put in our AP itself. Okay, but now I'm trying to show you the AI placement AP features. Okay, when you click on the AI, the system AI will be analyze your this entire of the floor plan and suggest how many of the AP, okay, can be used in your customer environment. Okay, so you can see they are still calculating, okay, for all the area angle about based on this floor plan. And they also can be provide some of the indicator whether it's a full coverage, modulation coverage, and best coverage. So at the end, you can see the auto AP placement completely. They are suggesting 5 AP placement to this floor plan. So I just click on the apply side, right? The AP will be automatically to show in this floor plan. Okay. By the way, maybe your site you also can say, but automatically I cannot change the AP. So how easily I can change to the AP side, right? You can go to edit any of the setting model of the AP based on for the what they are going to suggest to you. Let's say I also can be going to what we say add more AP as well. So I can see some of the price board here. Okay, some of the price board here. So I just need to go for this continuous for 2260 model. Okay, they will show you the 2260 model. I just need to continue to add 6 AP, 7 AP. Maybe this is a blind spot I also want to cover. Okay, in the toilet, okay, in this area as well. Okay, I just need to make the fully complete coverage about this entire of the 5G coverage. So definitely when we turn to 2.4G, right? Yeah, you can see a lot of the area has been covered by our this home Wi-Fi ceiling AP RAP2260 model as well. So the beauty design for this, what we say the floor plan, right, is not only applicable for floor plan, it also can be applicable for some of the product, like what switches, router, firewall. So let's say the entire of the design for this floor plan, right, we are compared with the what is a competitor applications that are built for you, like we also can be in some switches like NBS CS. We can put a lot of like switches like maybe it's 24 port, come with the PoE, okay, and the switches will be located maybe inside this server room. Okay, I do some have a server room here, and they do have some what we say router, okay, necessary requirement. So I can put some router also. Okay, maybe I put in this all-in-one router. Okay, maybe the what we say the the riser room. Okay, the riser room is about here. So I can completely to set up this with whole solutions. Even though for AI Heatmap itself, we also can be bundled in with the camera. So I can personally to put few of the camera based on this floor plan. Okay, this is the angle I need to put in. Okay, from this is the less you are assuming the customer is work from the main door. The main door is from here, right? So the camera definitely will be covered by this side. Another camera maybe will be put on this side. So we can adjust the camera angle, okay, for the coverage. We can know based on this camera, what is the lens, focal length they are using. Right now it's 2.8, okay. We can see the camera view, how far they can be covered by the angle as well. Okay, so we can easily to move, yeah, I want to cover this area. You can show something information to your customer. Wow, when you're going to select 2.8, this is the area you're able to monitor. Okay, you also can be saying that, yeah, I'm not using the 2.8 mm focus length. I may be using 3.6. So what is the area that can be able to cover? You can see based on the 3.6 mm coverage, yeah, this is the angle, this is the blind spot. I can tell you this is the blind spot that you cannot be seen. The other rest, yes, you can as a normal. Okay, so due to this is very powerful tools, right? We are trying to build for the customer as well. Even though you can bundle in a lot of manual devices, okay, it's not from our brand. Okay, like what? Like you can simply to add on more of the product like router, IPC, MBR, hard disk, access controller, wiring, access barrier, accessory, others, everything you can make by your this item by yourself and put in our entire comprehensive solutions. Okay, once you has been confirmed everything, so you also can be export to documentations, okay, to send to the customer. What is the documentation? We can show you here. You can see all the devices that will help you to calculate, okay, correctly, like two camera, just now we have selected one router, one switcher, 7 AP for this broadband environment. You also can put in some pricing. Okay, you can edit some pricing based on your pricing, adjust accordingly. And even those, you can see the topology. It will provide the real topology, how the existing connection, the similar suggestions, okay, to connect to your AP and camera as well. And the placement about the device all around, about the floor plan. Okay, where is the router, where is the switches, and the Heatmap 2.4 signaling coverage, whether good or poor, 5 gigahertz coverage heat map, CCTV coverage area, right? And they do have some, what we say is the highlights of application, cloud management, flexibility of term they were going to write in the document as well. So you can put in some company info like company logo, name, contact person for documentation as well. Okay, the documentation we are supported Excel, PDF, Word file. You can save it to your locally. Okay, so this is what we say right now, the 2024, the AI generation is coming. So we need to use a lot of AI to helping us to make some floor plan. Okay, especially during the exporting, right? They require some time. Okay, they will gather all these informations. Okay, about a couple of the minutes you need to sit in. So once they have been exporting successfully, right, you can be download the file to save to your PC. Okay, even though you can do some what we say the feedback about this AI Heatmap experience. So now I will going to save this file to my desktop. Okay, and I will try to open the file to let you to see the format, how the format look like. Okay, so right now we just ready for download and open for the Excel file. Okay, the Excel file is still opening. So let me just show you how the Excel file look like. Okay, this is the Excel file. They are going to generate everything with the pricing. So you can edit the pricing, you can edit the logo, how many quantity. They will provide the topology, okay, placement AP, Heatmap 2.4, Heatmap 2.5, CCTV coverage. Everything will be in one document for you. So I think that's all for my sharing about Ruijie AI Heatmap. Thank you everyone. Please watch again for my next video. Thank you. Bye.